So hi, welcome back to this another episode with me, Arshi. I hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I'm going to talk about Karnataka PGCET in this particular episode. Registration has already started. Last date to apply is 10th May. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the colleges which are accepting Karnataka PGCET, who should apply for this particular examination, what is the process of registration and the complete process. So let's start.
अगर आप एक MBA एस्पिरेंट हो, आपने कैट दिया है, जैट दिया है या फिर कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम नहीं दिया, परसेंटाइल कम है, ज़्यादा है और आप कॉलेजेस की रियलिटी जानना चाहते हो दैट जो प्लेसमेंट क्लेम कर रहे हैं वो सही में है या नहीं, मार्केटिंग हो, फाइनेंस हो या फिर HR हो, ये सारे सवालों के जवाब आप ले सकते हो। नीचे एक प्रोफाइल एनालिसिस फॉर्म दिया है, उसको फिल करके आप डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं। साथ ही साथ आप कॉल और व्हाट्सएप पे भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं, जिसकी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। So now let's get back to the video.
So first of all, if I talk about Karnataka PGCET, that stands for Karnataka Postgraduate Common Entrance Test. The conducting body is Karnataka Examination Authority, which is KEA, because this particular examination is conducted to take admission for MBA and MCA in Karnataka, for all those colleges and universities who are affiliated to Bangalore University. 10th May 2025 means you just have, if I'm not wrong, 14 more days to apply for this particular examination. The application fees is 700 when it comes to this particular exam. So if I talk about the documents required when you want to register for this particular examination, right from your 10th, 12th graduation, if you're in your final year of graduation, then also you can apply for it. If you comes under any category, this is only applicable for students who are having domicile of Karnataka. They can even, apply using ST, SC, whatever category they come from, right? Then other than this, your Aadhaar card, your email ID, signature, these are the basic documents which is required, like the other entrance examination. Once you apply for this particular examination, you have to write. If I talk about the syllabus, it is also quite similar. It's comparatively quite easy examination when it comes to, examination like CAT, ZAT and all that. So, you might have written, math, you might have written CMAT. So, it comes under, that kind of moderate and easy level of examination. This examination is particularly conducted to take admission in Karnataka because it's a state level examination, but a lot of students outside Karnataka also apply for this particular, examination. This exam will be conducted on 22nd of June every single year. I think this exam is late. I'll give you a small example. I was discussing about to a college, IABS, their students who are doing MBA. They said that they are still in their third semester. It will take another 6 months to complete their MBA because, if I talk about Karnataka PGCET, the admission process is late and definitely, that shows that you will be getting your degree late and the placement process will also be delayed when it comes to this particular institution. Anybody who wants to take admission into colleges in Bangalore for MBA, they still make a huge investment when it comes to the postgraduate. So making sure that, whatever colleges you shortlist based on your percentile through, Karnataka PGCET, you feel like, you need any help from our hand, there's a profile analysis form in the description box. There's a number there. You can just definitely fill out the form and call on the given number. Now, again, I've already set the last date to apply for this examination. Colleges, if I talk about through PGCET, there are a few list of colleges which I just want to discuss in this particular video. Dayaran Sagar College of Engineering. This college is quite known for engineering, but they also offer MBA, so you can apply for this college. Reva University, BMS College of Engineering, BMS Institute of Technology, ISBR Bangalore, IIBS, Ramaya Institute of Technology, Ramaya University of Applied Science, CMR Institute of Technology, BMS Bangalore Institute of Technology. All these colleges except Karnataka PGCET, but I'll be making a separate video on that particular list of colleges. If you want to know more about it, please let me know in the comment section below. This was all about this episode. This is me, Arshi Khan, signing off. Milte ek aur episode ke saath.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.